Backsliding ka! Oh no! Okay.
You slide back.
Somewhere there. Okay, and then Van.
Aray.
Ang kapal na mukha ko, yun.
Pwede magsulat ng pangalan sa taas, ha? Kung masikip na. Pwede.
Sa taas naman. Sa taas naman naman nalagay. Yan, nagsisiksikan kayo dyan. Oh, liit-liit naman ang mga pangalan. Alright. Eto ngayon ang problema natin. This week, pipili kayo ng kanta that will bring out your inner soul. Ika nga kasi, music is the window to the soul. Magagawa nyo lang yun kung nang madali. Kung nandito kayo, automatic na nangyayari. Okay? So, magkakaproblema sa interpretasyon kung nandito pa kayo. So, susubukan natin this week, mas konti kayo, mas one-on-one ako sa inyo so that you come close to this. Nang hindi nyo iniisip, tama ba alignment mo? Ang ribcage ko ba? You know, things like that. Hindi na dapat na, facial muscles ko ba? Relax noon. You know, it's things like that that should happen at this stage. Sana, mas automatic. Alright. Pero alam nyo, natutuwa ako kasi medyo tama ang assessment nyo sa sarili nyo. Pero I think I would move La Arnie a little bit up here.
Wow.
I would move Bugoy not too far back because you've come a long way, darling. There. And you got a very good assessment of yourself. Still kind of there. And you're right about the cha-cha. Okay. Chris, I would move you here.
Wow! Ang galing!
Okay, who's this? Sel?
Ba?
Dito ka kung saan nilagay nila Arnie yung sarili niya.
Wow.
Ako medyo lang.
And Miguel, somewhere here.
Wow.
So, pero maganda na ito yung iniisip nyo. Because you've got a long way to go here. Hopefully, medyo makulit ako this week, aabot kayo doon. Hate to apply the pressure, but we're in the home stretch, ika nga. And so you really gotta get it there, in your system. Okay? Kaya ako nagdala ng video ngayon, dahil importante, I think, mainly, the root of all problem is breath. Mainly, the root of all problems is breath. Kaya nagtatighten na tayo sa mga areas na dapat naka-relax. Dahil, whoops, shucks, kapos sa breath. Or alignment collapsed. One thing that has been very consistent with you, Bugoy, at least, when you get on stage, your alignment is nice. So, the breath works for you automatically. And you're free to express. Okay? Kaya ka star scholar this week eh. Ang ganda! Kasi wala na, andun na sa carriage eh. Andun na. So, he just, plop, automatically did his thing. Not thinking of, did I take a good breath? Did I take, no? If you're thinking that moment in time when you're supposed to hit your high note and you're still figuring out, you know, yung mental process, kumbaga, ang gagawin mo, anything wrong can happen. I think that's what happened with your last note there in the prayer. Pag medyo, whoop, kasi you don't know eh. Your mind is processing. Lahat ng mga, alam nyo, nagpo-process ngayon yan sa loob habang kumakanta na kayo eh. Eh pag meron pang hindi nakasync, kumbaga, sa loob na hindi automatic, patay, lulusot yung ano. Generally malayo ako eh, so relaxed ka, generally, most of the time, Miguel. Sen, yun na nga, meron mga shaky moments, pero, somewhere in the processing, alam mo na, no? Tapos biglang, tama ka sa assessment mo. Lisel, it's breath. Anong beses ka huminya sa,